What up guys, welcome to a new video. We're gonna drop off the Lexus to the body shop. So we're gonna finally fix the damage. Although I just got the car like maybe like 1-2 weeks ago, I don't know. So, you know, I can't really say finally because I just got it. But yeah, I'm fixing it. I'm taking it to a body shop. I went yesterday to get a quote. He quoted me $1,200 to fix it. And it sounds like a lot, but I don't think it's a lot just because the quarter panel is fucked. The rear left door is fucked. And the frame is bent. So he checked it out. He said this car has been repaired before, and whoever repaired it before did a shitty job. So yeah, he charged $1,200, but I got him down to $1,000. But then I remembered, oh shit, I have a spoiler coming in a lip, and they're not paint matched. So I was like, all right, how much would it be just to paint match the spoiler and the lip? And he said $200. So I was like, all right, $1,200, and that's fine. All right, I'll bring it tomorrow. I don't know when the car's gonna be done. He said maybe Monday. Like, that shit is fast as fuck. 1 day work, goddamn. All right, so I'll catch you guys later. I'll keep you guys updated if anything happens. And yeah, just peace. Oh, the car's dropped off. He said he'll call me when it's done.
3 days later.
It's fixed. I mean, it's not too bad, right? Alright, now I'm gonna take this off. It looks weird, or it looks off. It's just because the car's dirty, right?
I think so.
It just looks so...
Bro, that looks blue and then it's black.
Oh no, don't tell me they fucked me over too, bro. Fuck. Yeah, it looks dark as shit, huh? Shit happened again with the same fucking color, bro. I'll pop up a picture of the 350 I used to have. Same bullshit, bro. Look how fucking dark this shit is. Like, it matches when you're close up, right? But then when you're far away, you could just tell the fucking difference. This shit, look, it legit looks black. I hope he repaints it. Guys, I'm legit so bummed out. He's charging me $400 to blend the quarter panel and trunk. But why the fuck would I pay $400 if it's gonna be a different color, you know? I don't know, guys. I took it to my uncle. He does body work, and you're probably like, oh, why didn't you go to him for the body work? You know, it would have been, just, he has high prices, and I'm on a budget, and 1,000 was already a lot to me, but at the same time, you know, it made sense. He even saw shit I didn't see. He said the quarter panel was still fucking bumpy and shit. Like, even in the reflection of the light, it looked all fucking weird. Hella overspray everywhere. Paint running. He kept saying, it's the right color, your car just sun faded. But that's the same bullshit the other painter did with my 350. I'm like, no, it's not, bro. I'm not fucking stupid. It's a whole different shade. My uncle even said it's slightly a different shade, but it's still not the same shade and shit. And that he should have been mixing in more bright, not more bright colors, just a brighter, I don't know, white or silver, I don't know, to make it paint match. And he didn't do none of that shit. And he painted the whole rear bumper when the rear bumper didn't have any damage though.
So you guys can see how shitty of a job he did. Just look at this, man. This is the shittiest work I've ever seen. This is the reason he got mad at me and told me to go back to him and give me a full refund if he crashes a car. Just look at this shit, bro.
The guy, I'll pop up messages as I talk. I tried to tell the guy, yo, the paint does not match. I took it to a body shop or, you know, auto repair shop, which is my uncle. I took it to him. He said the paint job is not good. There's overspray everywhere and shit like that. And then he was like, okay, bring it now. I'll give it to you. I'll give you your money back. And I'll give you the car how you brought it in. So I was like, are you gonna crash it? And he said yes. Like, what the fuck, man? This guy is crazy. Like, I hope everything goes well. He said he was gonna give me $500 back if I just go now. Anyways, I'll keep you guys updated. I'm talking too much. And yeah, talk to you later. Peace.
What up, guys? If you made it to the end, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. So right now, I'm just gonna explain to you guys everything of what happened and what I'm gonna do next and what I'm gonna do to the car. Is that the same thing? Do next? Yeah, all right. Whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. So what went on was I went and picked up the car, right? I saw it was a different color. I was out there waiting for him because he called me saying he would be there in 5 minutes. So I was just out there looking at the car, and then he beeped at me when he got there. So I went up to him. The first thing he said when he got out was like, "Oh, it's a good job, right?" I was like, "No, not a good job at all." He's like, "Why? Why?" I was like, "The paint, it doesn't match." And he was like, "Yeah, it does. It's the same color. Your car is just sun faded." I was like, "No, it's not." And he just wouldn't like agree with me. Like, come on, everybody could see it's not sun faded. The color just a shade darker. Well, I was trying to negotiate with him. I was like, I can't pay $1,000, for this job. He's like, no, I'm not gonna take anything under $1,000. So if you don't give me the money, the car will stay here. So I had to pay him to get the key. So I paid him, and then we talked again. I was like, so what are you gonna do? How are you gonna fix this? The other guy that painted my other car, the 350, he did it for free, and he's like, I'm not gonna do it for free. The supplies are too much money. I doubt that. I paid for my paint myself with the 350, and it was only like $40 to pay the whole front end. So he then said I would charge you $400 to blend it, but it just wouldn't make sense. I would basically be throwing my money in the trash, like if you're gonna blend, what was he gonna blend? The quarter panel and the trunk for $400. It's the whole different color, so it's gonna be half the car is gonna be like black, half of the color is gonna be gunmetal gray. I just agreed with him. I was like, all right, I'll bring the car tomorrow. And then what I did instead was I went and took it to one of my uncles. That's a really good body shop. And I just went to him so he could take a look at the car and see what the guy did wrong. And right away he told me a whole bunch of shit that I didn't even understand and didn't even see myself. He said that the quarter panel that was crashed and dented in, he didn't fix it well because it was lumpy and like wavy, and in the sun you could see just the reflections of it being so fucked up and not, smooth. That was one thing. The next thing was he was just touching the car, the quarter panel. It had too much of the bumps of the clear coat, I don't know. And then he touched the trunk and then the other side of the quarter panel, and he was saying that there was too much overspray and that he doesn't know why he did such a shitty job. And if the rear bumper didn't have any damage, why he painted it. And I was confused because I don't know why he painted it too, I didn't realize, I don't think the bumper had damage actually. So yeah, I don't know why he painted it. And then I asked him if he was able to fix it. He said yes, but he would charge me $700 because, he's fixing up someone's fuck up. And he doesn't know what he's gonna run into when he's working on the car. So, I'm on a budget, and at that time, I didn't know I was going to get half the money I paid the dude back. So I was scared, I was like, shit, 700 is too much. Can you do 500? He was like, no, it's too much work. And then I was like, 6. He's like, no, it's too much work. So he was just firm at 700. And then I was like, all right, so I got a lip and I have a spoiler that are coming in the mail. It's primered black. Can you do 700 and spray those as well? And he was just there standing and, thinking about it. And he's like, you know what? I'll do that, but I'll let you spray him. So if it comes out shit, this is going to be my first car first parts I ever spray. So I'm actually excited for that. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now, guys. He said to bring it in 2 to 3 weeks just because he's booked. So that's what I'm going to do. So guys, that's the end of the video now. I really appreciate if you guys made it to the end. Give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and let's see what's next, some more stuff coming in for the car. See you guys next time. Peace. All right, so I'm done editing this video. I'm gonna pop up a picture. What do you guys think? Am I tripping about the color, or is it actually really noticeable? So here's a picture. You guys tell me. Leave it in the comments. I don't know why I'm acting like I have so many subscribers, but yeah. Anyways, guys, bye.
State of was mine, state of my mind, I say to myself mostly. I stay on your mind, I stay in your mouth. You stay in denial.